In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML code to your Shopify store. We'll walk through this together step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to take any HTML snippet you have and place it neatly into your Shopify theme using the built-in custom liquid section. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your orders, products, and recent activity. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. On the left-hand side, look for the section called Online Store and click on it. This is where you manage everything related to how your website looks and feels, including themes, pages, and navigation. Under Online Store, you'll see your current theme displayed at the top. Next to it, there will be an option to customize or edit it. Click on the option that allows you to edit or customize the theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can visually adjust your store layout. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a preview of your website on the right and a panel on the left listing all the sections that make up that page. To add your HTML, we need to create a new section, so click on Add Section. A list of different section types will appear. From that list, choose Custom Liquid. This section type is perfect for inserting custom code, including HTML, because Shopify's Liquid Editor can safely handle it. Once you select it, a new Custom Liquid section will be added to your page layout. You'll now see Custom Liquid appear in the left-hand column along with your other sections. Click on that Custom Liquid item in the left panel so you can edit its contents. On the right side, an empty code field will appear. This is where you're going to place your HTML. Now, go to wherever you have your HTML code stored. This could be in a document, an email, or maybe generated from another tool, like an embed code for a form, a video, or a widget. Highlight all of that code and copy it. Go back to the Shopify theme editor and click into the empty custom liquid code field. Paste your HTML code directly into that field. Take a moment to check that it all pasted correctly and nothing looks cut off. Once your code is in, you can drag the custom liquid section up or down in the left-hand panel to position it exactly where you want it on the page, such as above the footer, under a banner, or between other sections. When you're happy with the placement and the preview looks good, click Save in the top right corner. That's it. You've successfully embedded your HTML code into